What is up, YouTube? Moto Moose here. Today I'm working out on the road. Guess I should put my seatbelt on. And I wanted to talk to you guys about a little petition I've started. So, we're going to run the intro, and then I'm going to talk to you about that petition. Stay tuned. Alrighty, thanks for sticking around, guys. Sorry if my dash cam is in your face right now. Hopefully the camera can see me okay. So I started a little petition. It's an online petition on change.org. The idea behind this petition is to get our provincial premier, Mr. Doug Ford, to keep a promise he kept in his platform when running for election. Now, the promise was to overhaul the insurance industry and get some regulations in so that the Ontario insurance companies can stop gouging its customers for absolutely no reason. And the reason that I decided to start this petition at this time is because we've been paying the highest rates in the country for years with some of the lowest claim rates, so no correlation to that. There's no reason for it. And recently a news report came out that it was found out that the insurance rates in Ontario are set to go up by another 11%. Myself, and I'm sure many others, voted for this guy because he made a promise to make life cheaper, and I'd like to get him to see that through. So this petition is to get Doug Ford to keep his promise, to overhaul the insurance industry, and to lower our prices. Now, just to give you a little bit of history, if you watch the channel and you're not new to the channel, you know I ride a 2005 CBR 600RR. For any of you that are new, I've been licensed. I've had a motorcycle license on and off multiple times, because how it works here in Ontario is there's 3 steps of licenses. You get your first step, then you got to graduate to your second step, then you graduate to your full license, and then the full license is permanent. So I've gone through this 3 times now. I'm on my 3rd round. The first round, I had sold the bike, let my second license expire, and then so on my second time I had to go back through the process again, and then I sold that bike because it was an older bike and I got tired of fixing it all the time, and excuse me, then that time my license expired again. And so now I'm on my 3rd round, and I'm in the 2nd level of licensing, and this summer I can go get the full license. So that's how it works here. So I've been through it 3 times. So I've had motorcycle experience since 2007. I'm now in my 30s. I'm 33. When I got the CBR in 2017, I called 35 insurance companies. The first 30 politely told me to fuck off. They don't insure that motorcycle at all. Out of the 5 that did give me a price, the best one, I'm not going to name insurance names or anything like that, but the best price I got was $3,400 a year, and I had to pay it up front, no monthly payments, all up front. Now, this is for a bike that I had just bought that was 13 years old at the time, 14 years old. I don't math good. Anyways, a 2005 bike, and in 2017. So it's an old bike. I bought it for $3,500. It is a $0 value to the insurance company, and this price also was only one-sided insurance. So if I crash and it's my fault, the insurance company fix whoever's car I hit or whatever property I damaged, and then screw you, you're on your own, you don't get another motorcycle. So it's one-way insurance. Now, I switched companies after that year because the price was still ridiculous and it didn't drop. So I switched to another company, and I got it down to $2,100 per year, but they allowed me to pay monthly. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm at $2,100 a year and paying monthly for a $0 bike and one-sided insurance. Oh yeah, and I have a clean driving record, 0 tickets, no infractions, haven't had a claim on my personal insurance in 15 years, and the claims I did have, somebody else was at fault, not me, so it doesn't actually count as a ding on my record. And I have to pay these prices. Now I've also got this SUV, which is I think another $1,500 a year. And then I've got my business insurance, which is 2 trucks and our tractors and liability and all that, blah, blah, blah. And last year, the insurance company I had for my business decided, well, we've had so many snowplow contractors that have made claims, so your insurance is going to go up by $6,000. More than double. They've more than doubled my insurance overnight, no notice. So we had to switch companies after that. But like, the excuse of, well, other snowplow drivers are using their insurance, they're making claims, so we're going to charge you more even though you've been in business 20 years and haven't had a claim. Makes no sense. So for far too long in Ontario, there has been nobody to keep these insurance companies in check. The price goes up and up and up, and your coverage goes down and down and down as it goes through. The other thing is, the last government we had said they were going to fix the insurance industry. And what they did was, they said you're going to have more options and the prices are going to go down. After the changes came into place, what the insurance companies did, and this is genius on their part to make money, but shitty on our end, so they took everyone's coverage, and I think back then it was like $1 million liability, and you were covered for this, this, and this. They took everyone's coverage, cut it in half, kept the price the same, and said you could pay extra to put it back to the coverage you had. So like, genius on their part to make money, but that is so shitty for the customers, and that was what the government agreed to. So this petition is to get them to finally do what they said they would do, to take a look at the insurance industry, overhaul the rules and regulations, put some checks in place so these companies can't just continue to raise the rates through the roof for no good reason at all, for people with 0 claims, stuff like that. So if anyone wouldn't mind taking the 30 seconds it takes to sign this petition online, it literally, it's you click a button, you type in your name and you click a button to sign the petition. I would really appreciate it, and I guarantee you many others in Ontario paying these outrageous prices would also appreciate it. So it'll be 30 seconds of your time. I will put the link down below in the description of this video, and I will really appreciate your time and trying to help us Ontarians out, and that way we can all continue having our motorcycles without paying ridiculous prices. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and as always, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, click the bell to get notifications of any time I get new videos, and if you like the video, throw me a thumbs up. Alright, thank you so much for listening. Thank you for your support ahead of time for those that will decide to support and sign this petition. And we will talk to you soon. Moto Moose out.